Being a pioneer in automation, Jendamark is committed to achieve the fine balance between machines and manpower as a part of the Industry 4.0 initiative. Following the thought, we are presenting ODIN Maintenance, a cloud-based reliable tool that helps companies reduce their asset maintenance cost and improve the lifespan of their machinery through predictive maintenance, maintaining the status quo, avoiding breakdown, continuation of service throughout the process, and tool change are pivotal in the maintenance process. ODIN Maintenance specifically aims at anticipating future failures and mitigating them with proactive measures. ODIN Maintenance equips you with the key features to predict, anticipate, and avoid the hurdles throughout the manufacturing process. Based on a plan, ensure, analyze, report, approach, ODIN Maintenance offers a stratified data access set at every user function from the technician to the top management. ODIN service comprises of features that assist everyone from maintenance technician to the top management. This state-of-the-art tool makes the maintenance process smarter by its superior functions. With ODIN Service, management can easily schedule servicing activities and provide visual guidance to the technicians, allowing them to access the health of the asset in the plant. It also helps keep check on the critical parameters and escalate the high risk, thus predicting the upcoming hurdle. In most of the cases, it takes more time to identify the problem than to solve it. ODIN documentation changes this scenario by acting as a heaven of documents and makes it easier for operators to access them. ODIN Maintenance offers you a web-based safe platform for all your company documents. QR code system makes all the documents related to respective machine units easy to access, that provides quick guidance to solve the problems faster. ODIN documentation brings information to your fingertips. Tool change is another crucial aspect of maintenance. The more time and complexity of the tool change process, more the loss is. ODIN Maintenance tool change makes this process effortless by offering a seamless inventory management, worker guidance, and quick tool change over system. Putting humans at the core of our solutions, ODIN Maintenance touches the fathoms of Industry 4.0. ODIN Manufacturing is conceptualized with the ideology where man and machine can work in sync to ensure 100% security and real-time monitoring. For manufacturing industries, the most important element of the production unit is a workstation and an operator that runs it. Industry faces few challenges that can affect the productivity. ODIN Workstation is a smart digital solution to all the challenges. It bridges the communication gaps between a machine and a human with its operator-friendly features like operator guidance, traceability, and production planning. Jendamark has developed unique data exchange protocol that can exchange commands to and from PLC. ODIN Workstation can be interfaced with third-party devices to ensure correct process sequence getting followed on machine by an operator. ODIN Workstation offers you a total shop floor management with ODIN Terminal, ODIN Manager, and ODIN Line Watch. ODIN Terminal. ODIN Terminal ensures process security and tracks operator performance. It provides an operator with a step-by-step visual guidance, leaving no room for error. It also observes the process closely, monitor every detail of the machine and human performance, and therefore increasing the overall productivity. The feature ODIN Manager comprises of 3 manager-friendly segments that allow managers to remotely access and control the production line and labor. Easy-to-use web application allows admins to set up and configure the entire production line even remotely. The feature helps manager to assign, configure tasks even remotely and generate the detailed reports of machine and labor performance, making each process traceable. Line Watch monitors line performance for productivity and efficiency. It literally catches the nerve of the machine by generating real-time data and sending it through emails. It summarizes key parameters of the production line like production target, shift process time, productivity chart, machine performance, product quality, system uptime and inventory. One of the foremost offerings by Jendamark, ODIN Workstation welcomes you to the world of smart connected assembly. Being a pioneer in automation, Jendamark brings you ODIN Future Factory, a visionary solution for the manufacturing and production business that brings your dream manufacturing setup into existence and makes you future ready. Smart applications of ODIN Future Factory lead our customers to efficient manufacturing with the emerging technologies. ODIN Future Factory accelerates the design approval process by providing smart applications for fast virtual prototyping, analyzing machines before they get manufactured, and operator performance tracking and monitoring. ODIN Future Factory focuses on 3 areas: virtual reality, augmented reality, and ODIN Future Development. ODIN Future Factory covers the length and breadth of simulation-based technology by incorporating virtual reality into the manufacturing process. Virtual reality equips our customers with hassle-free training sessions, step-by-step visual guidance, machine ergonomics, safety, and dimension-related issues. Jendamark tamed the concept of augmented reality for smart production and design approval process. Our customers can view the machine design with its actual dimensions practically from anywhere by just accessing the AR link on their available devices. We use AR for production by facilitating operators with smart glasses. Operators receive command via AR on their glasses, even when the screen is not accessible. ODIN Future Development uses latest technologies aimed at radically changing the production process and making it future-proof. App Store provides a common platform for all the apps functioning on assembly lines. It also provides the predictive analysis of the most important asset of any industry: its people. ODIN Operator Performance application helps monitor the health of each operator, thus providing preventive and predictive analysis. Every process in industry generates the data that is further converted into reports. ODIN Integrated Database System is an advanced on-premises web application that integrates multiple databases seamlessly to generate unified production report. ODIN Future Factory, the crystal ball for businesses that allows them to have a look into the future and take educated, rational, and effective decisions.